Here's how to set up an Etsy storefront and start selling digital products. So the first thing to do is go to Etsy and create an account. So go to sign in and then register. And once you fill in all of your information, you'll get an email that looks like this, and then confirm account. And then once you're signed in, you can go to the profile icon on the top right, then choose Sell on Etsy. It'll bring you to this page, then you can click Get Started. Go to the next page, and you can choose one of these. I chose this one since it's the first time I'm selling on Etsy. And then next. I just skipped this section. You can scroll down. Skip. And start your shop. Then you can confirm your language, country, and currency. And then save and continue. And create your shop name. It'll tell you if it's already taken, and then once you filled it in, you can go to save and continue. And then you can start creating your first listing. And the first thing to do is add some photos. And I've walked through how I make these photos in a previous video, so I'll link that in the description. I make them on Canva, so I go to Canva, and then share on the top right. Download, and I change this to a PNG. I think a JPEG works too. And then I select the pages. So I'm just going to do the first few. So I'll do 1 through 9. And the last page is a video, so I have to upload that separately. So I'll leave that unchecked and then click Done and download, allow, and then once I've uploaded the images, the next section is the video. So I'll go back to Canva, go to Share, Download, make sure that's set to MP4 video, and then I'll unselect all of these other ones, and then just choose the video, and then download. And after that, the next section is to fill in the listing details. So the title, I'll just call this Healthcare Guide. Who made it? I did. What is it? It's a finished product. And when did you make it? Choose the year. And then in category, I'll type in digital product. I'll just choose one of those. The first one. Guides and how-tos is the most accurate to this product. So I'll choose that. I can skip over color. Renewal options automatic. Type, I'm going to change that. It's not a physical product, it's digital, so I'm going to choose digital. And then I can type in a description. I'll just type a short one here. And for examples of descriptions, you can look at mine by going to my Etsy storefront and clicking on one of the products. Usually I just keep it pretty short, like 1 or 2 paragraphs. And then I also usually add a list of all the different sections. Then I'll scroll down and add some tags. So digital product, and then some words related to what it is. So if I'm making a healthcare guide, I'll do like healthcare, healthcare guide, organization, and some others. Then I'll add a price. And then in quantity, since it's a digital product, I usually just do $9.99 or $999, which I think is the largest number you can put. So ignore that 1 there. And then I keep scrolling down and then you'll see a section for digital files. So what I do is make a PDF with the link to the digital product. And I also have a whole video on how I made that, so I'll link that below if you haven't seen it yet. And I also make that with Canva, so I go to Canva, and then share, download, and this one I want to make sure is a PDF, so I choose PDF standard, and then download, allow, and then I upload it there. And the next section is returns and exchanges, and I usually leave that as no returns or exchanges, and then save and continue. And then this is where you can add all of your payment information. So choosing the country, what type of seller you are, I chose individual, and then fill in some more information, and then your bank information, set up billing, and after that your Etsy store is all set up. And then to see your listings, you can go to listings on the left, and then you can click the gear icon to view it on Etsy to see what it looks like. And to go back, you can go to Shop Manager on the top right. And I'd recommend adding some pictures to your profile, and to do that you can go to Settings, Info and Appearance, and then next to Shop icon you can add an image. I just added a picture of myself, but you could also do a company logo if you have one of those. And then to preview it, you can go to your shop on the left and see what it looks like. So by now your Etsy storefront should be set up, your first listing should be posted, and the next thing I would recommend doing is sharing it with your audience. So making a YouTube video, TikTok videos, Instagram Reels, and if you have a blog, then making a blog post about it. So pretty much just getting the word out about your digital product in every way that you can. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and for all of the other videos in this series, check out the playlist linked in the description below. And I'll see you next week.